Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you a fantastic Galaxy AI feature on Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I didn't first notice this feature, but it's just there and it already exists, and it makes using Galaxy Watch Ultra so much easier, and that is why I want to talk about this feature in this video. And this has to do with the messages and how you can reply to those messages. Now if someone sends you a message about your dinner plans or anything like that, you can simply go down there, and here you can see we have the Galaxy AI logo here, and then below that we have some messages already um, made up by Galaxy AI that you can simply tap, and this looks much more personal rather than having just some pre-made messages there, and you can use them. But then you can tap on this button again and you can recreate these replies. So it takes a moment, and every time I think it comes up with different responses. So there you go. So if you don't like the reply, you can tap on this button again and it will recreate those replies in a different way. And then you can simply tap on one of them and send that message away. And you can turn this feature on by going in settings, then go in Galaxy AI, and here you will see this option chat assist. Go in here, and here you will see this option suggested replies. Go in here, and from here you can turn this feature on and off, and you can read about it here. It tells you on your Galaxy Watch One UI 6 watch or higher, so you need to have One UI 6 at least. You can get AI powered suggested replies to messages you receive, available when your watch is connected to your phone. So messages are processed on your phone to provide suggested replies. So the messages will be processed on your phone and then will be transferred to your watch. So that's what it's saying. So that's how you can turn this feature on and off.